We don't fight Christ's fight with the dagger. We use a sword, but we use a different kind of sword, right? It's a different sword. It's Ephesians 6:17, the sword of the Spirit, which is the what? Word of God. This is the sword. This is the sword we use. We don't use a gun. We don't use a weapon, a sword. We use this sword, the sword of the Spirit, which is the Word of God. This is where the power is. This is the Word of God, which is living and active, sharper than any two-edged sword, and piercing as far as the division of the soul and spirit of both joints and marrow, and able to judge the thoughts and intentions of the heart, Hebrews 4:12. And when we swing this sword, we don't swing it like Peter did. It's not a broad sword that you just, woof, woof. You're not just hacking away. It's the Machaira, it's the dagger. It's used for sharp strategic jabs. We use the sword with discrimination, with precision. When we take this out, take it out because we know it. We take it out because it's hidden in our heart. We take it out because we know where to turn to chapters and verses. And when it comes to situations in our life, we know how to take this and apply it strategically. When it comes to discussions and reasons for apologetics and Christian encouragement and fellowship, we know how to apply it strategically. When it comes to fighting the devil, we know how to apply it strategically. After all, didn't Jesus do that in the wilderness? Satan's attack, Jesus, the perfect verse he came back with every time.